Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create perfect shapes on your Samsung Note on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you like to create notes with all the drawings, so like triangles, circles, or any square, and you want to make sure all of those shapes are straight, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and remove your S Pen. Go ahead and create a new note. Now here, I'll go ahead and turn on a feature from the bottom. So go ahead and swipe left until you see this shape option here, a triangle and a circle. So this basically is an AutoFix shape feature. Go ahead and turn this feature on. Now using a pen, you want to go ahead and draw a circle. Now as you can see, once you've drawn a circle, it basically correct it and make it exactly a circle. So here I'll go ahead and draw a triangle, a square. So as you can see, it basically auto-fixes all the shapes you have handwritten on screen. So there you go guys, that is how to auto-fix shapes which you have drawn on Samsung Note on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.